In this video, we are going to learn how to solve the JAMB commerce problems under production. So we're going to focus on the subtopic division of labor. We have about 10 to 12 repeated questions to practice with. Let's get started. The first question I have here says the assembling of products into usable forms is known as. We have formation and creation, manufacturing, construction. Right answer is option D, construction. Next question. In this one, it says the link between division of labor and production results into specialization. Option C. That's the right answer. Next question. Which of these is not a merit of division of labor? We have written about an element of automation results in specialization, creates monotony in the work task, training in new jobs is facilitated. So it says which of these is not a merit of division of labor? So the one that is not a merit that creates monotony in the work task. Okay, so that one is not a merit. Okay, next question in this one, it says the allocation of tasks to different skills in the production process is referred to as division of labor. Option D. Next question. Division of labor ultimately leads to specialization. Option C. Very interesting. Next question. An advantage of division of labor is where monopoly all tasks is eliminated, productivity and total output is increased, loss of individual craftsmanship is minimized, independence of workers increased, remuneration. The right answer is option B, productivity and total output is increased. Very important. Next question. The assembly of products into usable form is known as what? Construction. Repeated question. Option B is the right answer here. Next question. The advantage of division of labor include or except increased production, less fatigue, lower yield cost, reduction in employment opportunities. The exception here is option D, reduction in employment opportunities. Next question. The link between division of labor and production results into this is a repeated question, specialization. The right answer option A. Next question. The application of division of labor should generally bring about increased variety of goods and services, increase in the quantity of goods and services, cheapness of goods and services, cost efficiency in the production of goods and services. The right answer is option B. Okay, it brings about increase in the quantity of goods and services. Next question. Which of the following is a limitation to the limitation of division of labor? So the limitation is monotony of work. Option A. So that's the right answer. Last question for end this video. This one, it says the application of division of labor should generally bring about, I think this is a repeated question as well. So the right answer to this question here is option B. It will bring about increase in the quantity of goods and services. So guys, this is basically can do problems involving division of labor, subtopic in production for JAMB commerce. Practice with about 10 to 12 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll sure to give you a response. So ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. On the join button, you'll be getting information I help you to sell business like a JAMB and other business that you're writing. So you know this, click on the next button and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.